You ever ride it before it got brought into TJ's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It just was running so bad that I couldn't get it to run through. I pulled the distributor out and got the
Damn, it sounds like you're running good now.
Oh yeah, that's
one
how,
kick and shit.
that's how it was running before. He didn't do anything to the motor.
Oh, okay.
The motor was fine. It was everything else that. Cause this is the first time I ever built a bike. And
Yeah.
It was just all sorts of things were wrong with it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that black one. Oh.
Not supposed to film that one.
I don't care about that piece of crap.
Okay, where's the best place to go? Just
Not far.
not far.
No.
Preferably not downhill.
I'm gonna probably
So if you
down
go
there.
uphill, it's pushing a lot easier downhill.
It's too crazy down there, so I'm gonna go that way.
I would go down 2 blocks and hang a right,
Okay.
and then go up a couple blocks. And
Hang another right.
Yeah,
Hang
stay away from
another
the
ride.
cop station.
that way, if it breaks, it's all downhill. He kicks funny.
I love riding on the sidewalk.
Go over it, though. Watch out for the big bumps.
That sounded nice.
We got the low speed so it can work. I would have already been on the main jet, shifted twice. All right, he'll be back.
This is a quality screwdriver right here. Look at this expensive snap-on.
What are you doing? You're pulling them out.
Never used.
What
a
is wrong with you?
pry
You
bar
can't
or
even put a
chisel.
cable in a motorcycle.
There you go.
I didn't know it was such a technically challenged position here to install throttle cables on your own personal vehicle.
There.
Look, I didn't even burn myself or anything.
Yeah, but you were in his way.
Yeah. Breathing down my neck.
That's right. Making fun of you, videotaping the evidence, so we know
Yeah,
it was
I got
you.
it on tape. Yeah.
Teacher's
It's
yelling.
even recording.
Teacher's yelling at the student.
Oh, now it's recording.
Dumbass. He's trying to take Walker's place. Look, I can make them equal so they line up better. Look at that.
Pretty.
Look, I hope I put them in the correct spot, even with this way or this way. This would be the big one, would be on the outside like that.
Pretty.
We'll lay that right on that exhaust pipe to make sure it burns it.
Burns right through it, yeah.
Burns that clear.
Here, let me put my hand on it to keep the cables off.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
J truck.
We could just go like that. He's trying to steal my screwdriver?
Yeah, dude.
The other one's missing.
Yeah. By giving it back to you, I'm trying to steal it.
Now it appears that the problem with this mechanism here is that there's no a groove in this center. See that wear mark right there? That's where it needs to have a groove in it, like this one has. So what happened to your groove there, sir?
It's groovy.
That's
You see that spot right there where it's being ground on? I'm thinking that might be a spot that it's hitting. So maybe it needs to be filed right there. Might be some more of those tightness that we're feeling. So now we're going to have to go in there and cut this away here through a little bit. You get your CNC mill all set up to do that?
yes, I'm ready.
You ready? You good to go? Perfect. Get you all dialed in on doing that. So seeing that we don't have that machine here, we're going to have to do that some other way of doing that. I think I have a way of doing that. This
All right. I'll see you gentlemen later.
See
See
ya.
you later.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks to me like somebody might have possibly ground that down through the, took that part off a little bit. Yeah, that looks about the same height actually. Let me see. Yeah, I think they sold me a bogus throttle down there. See See, when you steal off their desk, there might be a reason why it was on the desk.
Yeah.
Manufacturing defect. See, this one I actually had to go pay for. See, it's grounded in there better. Alright, so we're going to have to fix that for you because the throttle feels like crap when it goes over that hump. So we'll have to go work on that. But see, this one's black, so it's got to be better. Matches the bike. Custom.
You don't want the prototype.
No.
Only if you
It's
can
still a
see it.
prototype because it's not supposed to fit this bike, so we're making it fit. Alright, so the carburetor, did you ever get the throttle opened up past the quarter?
Yeah, just a little bit for a couple seconds because it's.
Did it run?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, we're going to go work on this. We'll be back.
We're taking down the.
Okay, we're back on our bike here. We got the clutch cable zip tied over here in the correct spot this time. So now it stays up off the way. And I'm getting ready to work on this. And the throttle. So we already got the buttons put in here now. So they're in there. Are you stealing my tools?
I'm putting them back.
Oh, you got all kinds of tools in there. Where's my sleeve at? Oh, it's back in the vehicle already. So I accidentally put a groove in it right there. It's hard to see that. Anyway, there's a groove in there now. There you go. So now the cable wraps around like it's supposed to. Now it rotates around correctly. When you rotate it, it goes nice and smooth now. Unlike before where it was going over that big high spot and making it hard to work. I also filed the edges a little bit right here just to make sure it wasn't hitting. Just in case it was. Here, hold that. Alright. So now we get to put all of this junk up on here. Lubricating that. Slip and slide. Makes my fingers gooey, so it must be good, right?
Slippery's good. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Except on the front brake.
Right. That'll work its way in, I was told.
Maybe not. Can't believe everything you hear around here. What happened to your little thing down there? You want to keep that in there or get rid of it? Your little cruise piece.
Oh, where'd it go? It must have vibrated out.
I threw it away, probably. I hate them things.
I'm not going to be on. There it is. I'm not going to be on cruise control.
So just take this thing out of here?
Yeah.
You don't want it? I hate these things.
I don't plan on going to Sturgis on this, so I won't need anything to lock the throttle.
I fixed it for you. I broke the end of it off and took it right out of there.
That's fine.
There, it looks a lot better now anyway. Hate them damn things. All I do is make the throttle stick bind. These cables are not the right length. Like that. There, I have to bend that around a little bit. Could fit better. It's a noisy motorcycle. This time we're going to tighten these up so they stay down. Okay. Forget to put this piece in there and cable. Makes it work better. My fingers hiding all that?
Yeah,
Good.
there it is.
I don't want you to see any of the top secret stuff like that. It's pretty important. 15 yards of free play with this setup. Bike might be a little flooded when you go to start it. Feels a lot better now. So let's see if it works with the other half of it on there. I think it was just a lubricant. That's it. I'll find a hole. There it goes. That's about 1,000% improvement on the throttle working correctly now. Matters where this says it's going to bind up anyway. Feel that now. Feel it. A little different.
Yeah. A lot better.
Just a little bit of free play in there. That's good. Got your cables. See the cables flopping back and forth right there. That's your free play soon. And this carburetor is able to return back to an idle speed. When you look at it up here, see how my finger has about a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch of free play in it?
Yeah.
I like about a 1/16 or so. The race bike I'll leave about an 1/8. Definitely want to have a problem with throttle on a race bike. Play around with the dimension of that, you can play around overall height of this thing. Alright, where's those fancy grips you had?
Same thing.
Pretty close match.
Yep.
He's got an extra one. Tastes good. That is just like it's supposed to. Right there you go over kind of a little bit of a hump right there, you can feel that. Feel about 3/4 throttle.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
See, that way you know where 3/4 throttle's at. Feel it.
Yeah.
Alright, a lot better than it was. Big improvement. Tight enough to hold them, but not tight enough you can't adjust it if you need to. If they come loose, you'll have to tighten more. Alright. Think the bike's sufficiently flooded now? It might not start.
Yeah, most likely.
Well, let's see how much it is. choke at this point. Doesn't go away, so we'll leave it
I didn't hear what you said.
there. That spot didn't go away where it hasn't right off vital. So it's probably the ignition down there. The way the flyweights work down there, it's really retarded and all of a sudden advances. I guess. No, you notice I went wide open and let it right off? As soon as it starts to fire, shut the throttle. Hey, control. Like that. So now it should start normal. All right, I think it runs. All right, you don't have any gas?
I got a little bit.
Go to the bathroom, that's the bead, get some gas. All right, we fixed a couple things here. We moved this from here down to here. That helps keep it from getting caught under here, where it was trying to get caught. I rebent the angle a little bit more so you got more free play. We put a zip tie here to keep everything from flopping out in the wind. We also got a zip tie on this side to keep this from flopping out in the wind, but still have full travel, like that. Now, if you stick it inside, hold the handlebar. So if you stick it inside the fork, all it does is try to break the cable in half. This adjuster gets up in here, jams everything all up, doesn't work. So you can see on the throttle cables over here how they work. Go ahead and turn it. So you can see how it keeps them out of here. Because this tank has a spot where it wants to catch in here. So next time you guys paint your tank, make sure you deburr this corner here a little bit. It helps keep the cables from getting caught in there. And we're using this here to help hold it in like that. That keeps it inside there. So normal stuff. Throttle still working? Still got free play? Good deal. All right, are you going to start it here? Or are you going to push it back and then start it?
Out there.
Oh, you're going to get smart, huh? All right. Now this time you're going to have the front brake on for a little bit, right?
Right.
Watch out for the vehicle behind you. I don't want to scratch up that valuable truck back there. You don't back up very often, do you?
No, I'm supposed to go forward. There's no
Oh,
reverse.
okay. There's no reverse? It's a good thing. Turn it the other way now. There you go. Go to the left a little.
Sounds like walk.
All right, straight back. You're good. You're good. You almost hit my pickup truck there.
Almost hit your car.
That's right. Look at that. There's Walker. Another one behind him. Oh, shit. Now there's 3 piles of crap in front of my shop. I thought things only came in pairs.
Oh.
you break it? I knew he'd figure it out. Oh, he rides better on the sidewalk this time. He could get hit by a car. There. There he goes.
That's a real bike.
Look at those ugly ass handlebars on this vehicle. Yeah.
Yours.
Those are horrible looking. Got your air cleaner in there, I like that.
Yeah.
See, we could have something nice like that, but no, you got this.
Yeah.
Oh well. Damn, you're getting on the gas there this time. That thing actually got second gear.
Yeah, it sounds bitching, man.
Stay off that street over there.
I told you to do that 2 blocks,
I did,
not 1
but
block.
I came down that street.
Well, that'll teach you to come down that street.
Kicked the
That's
shit
horrible.
out of me.
Rigid frame on an off-road track through there.
That road is so bad.
Yeah, there you go. The front brake working better?
Yeah, it's
Looks like the pads are starting to feed into the rotor a little
that's
bit.
what I think we're smelling.
The front brake?
Yeah.
Well, I think all the stuff in the motor's burned off now, so.
Yeah, you can see you're starting to run it now with the coloration.
So I did that before we ran
I did
it.
that last,
You did
that last night.
So did you hit that tailpipe back there on the ground yet?
No.
Oh, okay. So plenty of clearance. Not a problem. There you go. You got to get some flat black paint on there and match all these other bikes around there. All right, we're good.